Hello everyone, we are in my closet. I spent the entire day doing laundry so that everything was here so we could go through it together. So this is part of my declutter series. If you don't know, I am trying to declutter my entire house 2 times through this year. So what that really means is I've broken my house into 6 sections, one for each month, and then we'll repeat the second 6 months with the same rotation. So January is my bedroom. I'm going to put up above the makeup declutter I've already done because that is at my desk right over there in my bedroom, and then also just the general clean with me / declutter with me that I've done for the rest of my bedroom up here as well. But today the last part of my bedroom is my clothing closet. So this has my clothing, it has my shoes, it has bags, it has kind of everything I like to wear / enjoy to wear / also things that I haven't worn. So our mission today is to go through and work through those things. So it's real life. This is my real life closet. I am in sweatpants and a very probably nasty shirt at this point. I'm sure I'm covered with cat hair, but hey, it's my life. So I thought what I'd do is give you a quick overview of how my closet's set up, and then we'll go ahead and get into actually decluttering it. Okay, so this is one side of it. This here is all shirts, and then I have bags, my socks, and then these shelves of shoes, and my cleaning supplies because we're going to clean as we go, but my perfume and then jewelry. But I just recently went through that, so I'm not worried about it. Earlier today I went through these drawers. So this first one is kind of a miscellaneous drawer. I have the socks I wear more often, my belt, deodorant, some tights. This drawer is my underwear drawer, so I went through this and I got rid of all of the underwear that is just time to leave my life. This is my bra drawer, so I have traditional and more comfy ones. And then down here, hold on, I have to move my step stool. You guys, I'm so short. I need to get a handle. This is my workout drawer, so I have t-shirts, tank tops, shorts, and then I just bought 2 new sports bras because it was way overdue. And then I have like my heart rate monitor down there and a headband. So these I already went through today, but they are clean, and now I'm ready to tackle the rest with you. So that's this side. And then as I turn over here, this is my steaming pad. Really nice. Over here I have all of my sweaters, blazers, things like that. Work pants, skirts and dresses, jeans, color jeans, leggings, yoga pants, sweatpants, PJs, and then hats. So that's kind of the layout, but I think we'll start on the shirt side. So I'm going to get this back over and we'll flip us around and get started. Okay, so I did start with my bags already today. I have 3 bags up here. These are all crossbody bags that I'm going to keep. And then I also wanted to mention these are the 2 bags I'm getting rid of. So the first one here is my old work bag. I used to use this all the time, but it is just no longer my preference. I prefer a darker bag now, so this is going to be leaving me. And then I also got this fake Louis Vuitton bag off of Amazon. It's supposed to be the Speedy 30 to test it out to see if I wanted this bag. When I was in Paris over Thanksgiving, I knew I was going to buy a bag, and I was thinking I would want this one, but I bought this fake one to test it out, and I realized that the style does not suit me. So instead, I bought my St. Laurent Uptown bag, which is super cute, and this is my like everyday work bag when I'm home, when I'm traveling, and use my Longchamp bag. So that's actually downstairs because I haven't unpacked it yet, but I am going to get rid of these 2, so they're the first things out the door for us. So with that being said, I went through my socks earlier, so we're going to leave all that up there, and we're going to go into the shirts. So I recently went through this maybe like 2-3 months ago, so I'm not expecting anything wild, but it is definitely time that I go through. So I like to sort mine by sleeve length and color. So I have my spaghetti straps, and then thicker straps, tank tops, and then sleeved, like short sleeve shirts, moving into 3/4 sleeve and long sleeve by color. So it looks kind of crazy, but in my head it makes sense. So I'm just gonna sort through here. My tank tops I wear pretty frequently. This one I have worn a lot, but I'm just not super into it. It's a yellow printed one from Old Navy. I haven't worn it in some time, and the last time I did wear it, I remember not really loving it. So we're gonna let that one go. This black t-shirt, the last time I wore it, and you can probably tell, is pretty see-through. I think it's just been washed a few too many times, so that's no longer serving me, so I'm gonna let this one go. This blouse is a nice crocheted top, but you know what, I just am not into it anymore. I wore it quite a bit in the spring, but I'm just not really drawn to it, so I'm gonna let this one head out. This top I really enjoy. I think it's a cute top, but I'm starting to get some like pretty bad pit stains in here, so I think it's just time to go, and I'm sure I can find another striped, you know, shirt to take its place. This top is getting old too. It's an old cream and gray striped top. It's gotta go. Okay, we're making progress. This red top I think is really cute, but I spilled on it so bad on this side that I can't get it out anymore. It's very obvious. It's an oil stain, which I should have caught, but I didn't. So I'm going to let this one go on its way. This one is a newer top. I wore it once, and I wasn't really a big fan of it. I don't really like that the pearls stop halfway. I'd rather have it all the way or nothing, you know? So I'm going to let this one go because I wore it that one time and I knew it wasn't for me. But I tried it. This one I like, but it shrunk quite a bit in the washer and dryers the last time I went, so it doesn't like button up all the way anymore, so it's no longer fitting me. So it's a nice shirt, but it's gonna be nice for somebody else. Okay, we're almost to the end. Okay, so that is that section. I know nothing like super crazy, but I think I'm doing okay. Like I said, I went through this recently, but I didn't get the chance to film it, so you know. But I thought maybe we could do shoes next, so let me fix this angle and we'll do shoes. Okay, so my shoe collection is ever changing, but there are a couple things that I know I can get rid of. So right off the bat, these heels are matching. They're from, oh my god, Lulu's. They're really cute. I just don't wear them. I gave them the once through last time I did one of these, and I still have not worn them. I haven't gravitated towards them, so I'm gonna let them go because they're just not suiting me. I'm not reaching for them, so there's no reason for them to stay here. So, which is good because I just ordered a new pair of booties that can go up there. And these can come out to play. Okay, here I have my wedged booties. I love these. These are a heeled booty. Love those. These are all staying. These ones can go. They're a black, you know, like little booty, but I now have these ones that I much, much prefer. And they're way more comfortable, so I'm going to let these ones go and have these in its place as my black boots. Okay, moving over here. So at the top I have my Birks. I love my Birkenstocks, so I'm going to keep them. I have the style like this. I don't know what they're called, like the T-strap style. Love them. These are new. I love them. I got them off of Amazon. They're gold pointed flats. I get so many compliments when I wear these, and they're a fun take on a nude shoe. I have a pair of leopard flats that I love. I have a pair of green loafers that kind of passes black in sunlight, but they're emerald green, and I absolutely love those. I have my black flats I'm going to keep. Let's see here. My Toms, I think I'm going to keep, but they are on their last leg. Like, they're definitely getting worn out. So I am going to keep them, but these probably won't last another year, and I'll probably end up having to replace them. These sneakers I've had forever, and I've held on to them to be my work sneakers or my just-in-case sneakers, and that's fine, but I'm going to move them. I do have a shelf up here with like work clothes for like when I'm painting or doing home renovations, so I'm going to move those up there because that's a better spot for them instead of taking up my actual shoe space. Okay, so then I have my Allbirds. Love these. These are my workout shoes. I have these Sperry sneakers that I absolutely love, but I have worn through them, you guys, like no one's business. Like the inside is down to the rubber. So these need to go. I probably will repurchase a similar style. I really liked these slip-on sneakers. These are like my dressier sandals, but I never wear them because they're all the way up there. So I'm just going to stick them there instead. Okay. So we're looking better, and no, it's not crazy, but let's flip you guys around, and you guys can see me go through my sweaters, pants, skirts, and dresses. Okay, so I turned you around. I have my sweaters, sweatshirts, things like that, pants, skirts, dresses on this side. So let's start with the sweaters and see where we can get. So in this back corner, I have my blazers. I wear these when I travel for work, and I travel for work about 3 to 4 weeks a month, a lot. So I'm going to keep them all. I have 2 black ones, a navy, a gray, and a white. So those are all staying. I have my sweatshirts right here. So I have a black zippy one, just a plain black zippy. I love it. I have my Alaska sweatshirt. I have a sorority sweatshirt that I just like to wear around the house. Grandma's Saloon. Okay, this one I've had forever. It's my beloved Nashville sweatshirt. And you guys, look how like torn up it is. But it is so cozy, but it is time. Like even when I wear it around the house, I'm like, ooh, girl, get it together. So that one's going to get the boot. I have a quarter zip that I like. You guys, how awesome is this sweatshirt? Anyone an Office fan? Shoot Farms. My gosh, love it. Definitely keeping that. My zip. And then this one is a old sorority sweatshirt, but this one has seen better days, and I have another sorority sweatshirt, so, and it's been years since I've been out of college, so this one's gonna go, and my other one will stay. Moving into sweaters, I got this window pane, like, check sweater off of Amazon. I loved it so much that I got the gray version too, so I have the black one and the gray one, which are both staying. I just have a black cardigan, leopard cardigan, long dark gray cardigan. There's that same one. This is the oversized sweater. I was just wearing it when I cleaned my entire bedroom, which was very warm, in case you wondered. I love this leopard gray sweater. This one I wear. This one is time to go. This has been old. I wore this V-neck sweater in high school, so it is just time for it to go. And I haven't been wearing it a ton lately. I like this wrap. Yes. This one I like in theory, but it is so staticky. I can never get the like hair off of it. And whenever I do wear it, I just don't really like the cut on me. So I'm going to get rid of that one. This is a wrap sweater that I'm going to keep a little bit longer. That's a new cardigan. Love that sweater. This one I probably need to wear more. This is on the chopping block for next time. Green sweater, love, yellow, yeah. This one, again, also have had forever. I just don't wear it anymore. It's time to go. We had a good run. Okay, so the rest of those are good. So let's switch gears to my pants. So I have my work pants hanging up. And I like them all except for these ones. I wore these one time and they were fun, but let's be real, they didn't look so good on me. So these were fun, but they're going. The rest of these are going. I will need to replace these black ones soon. So it'll probably be exactly one in, one out kind of a situation. Moving into skirts. I really like the skirts I have. This one's new. I haven't worn it yet, but I think it's really cute. This dress, this is like a slip that went to another dress, but I got rid of the like outer part, and I've never needed a slip dress since, so I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't need it. And let's see here. I think the rest of these, oh, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of these too. These were really cute dresses, but they just, I don't know, they're not really my style anymore. So I've had them for a long time. They served me well, but I'm going to get rid of them. So let's do that. Guys, I'm getting so many hangers back in my way. Okay, and then these other two dresses are good. So we cleared up a little bit there. My colored pants I'm good with. My jeans I'm good with. My PJs, all of that I'm good with. This section here, these are my full-length leggings. These are my quarter-length leggings, and these are my yoga pants. These are all going to be evaluated as I wear them. I recognize I need to try all of them on, but I don't feel like it right now. So I'm going to try those on at another point, or just as they rotate through, and maybe I'll get rid of a pair or two. I'm not totally sold that I love them all, but I've just found that I've been wearing the like one or two pairs, well, I guess two pairs that I really do like, and not really looking at the others. So those will probably come up at another time. So that was my closet declutter. Let's take a look at the pile we made. Okay, so I feel like we have a good pile here. There's some shoes in there, big pile of clothes, a couple of bags. So I think this will be good. I'm going to bag this up and bring it over to the donation center from somebody else to enjoy them. So this is the after of my closet. I feel pretty good about it. It's always been organized. That's never been an issue. I'm so fortunate to have a beautiful closet, but it was just getting overwhelming. So I do have a couple of things in here that are newer that I have maybe only worn once and I'm kind of indifferent about. So there are maybe a couple of pieces like this one I might weed out. Couple of other things, but we'll kind of play it by ear and see how it ends up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think what we'll do next is a quick speed clean of my shoe shelves because it definitely needs it, and then we'll be done. So if you were just here for the declutter, feel free to end right here, but if you're here for some cleaning, stay tuned.